And I'd rather have questions that I cannot answer rather than answers that I cannot question. This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this!
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Sa mundo kasi ng mga intellectual, there's no idea that is sacred. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, yung kahit gaano kaganda yung idea mo, if there will come a time na merong mas magandang idea doon sa idea mo, you should side with the better idea. Hindi mo siya dadamdamin na katulad ng, ito na yung standards dati. So, bakit pa natin papalitan? Hindi ganun. Progress is seen by how much you change doon sa katotohanan instead of keeping or maintaining an old method, old ideas na hindi naman gumagana or insufficient enough para magbigay ng magandang result doon sa current time. Now, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank yung community dito sa Pinoy Extreme, mga extremist, that contributed good arguments. And if mapapansin nyo, karamihan sa arguments ko, ginagamit ko yun sa kanila because it makes sense doon sa pinaglalaban namin. At ito lang rin naman yung request ko, mga ka-extremist community, wag lang kayong basta-basta maniniwala sa akin. Check out kung ano yung sinasabi ko, i-research nyo kung ano yung sinasabi ko, para kung meron mang mali sa sinabi ko, please, itama nyo ako. Itama nyo ako para matuto din ako sa inyo. Hindi lang yung kayo yung natututo sa akin. And that's how learning works. The student will become a teacher and the teacher will continue to become a student. Red flag yon kung sasabihin ko sa'yo or sa inyo, you dare challenge my intellect? And you need to always challenge what you know. Why? Because, katulad nga nung sinabi ko sa una, there is no such thing as sacred ideas. Ideas change from time to time, and dapat kung ano yung mas applicable, mas efficient, mas effective, doon dapat tayo naglilin. Paano nyo malalaman kung green flag yung influencer na pinafollow nyo? Well, here's a quote to go by with that. Always remember, truth is not afraid of questions. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.